Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Tamarika, but you can call me Tam. Today's video is a grocery haul and clean with me. I'll be taking you guys along as I clean, declutter, and organize my fridge and also my pantry. So do not forget that you can turn this video on any of your devices and clean with me, or you can watch now and get the motivation for later. Either way, let's get to cleaning.
Let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high, just wanna get high, just wanna get higher. Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why, do whatever feels right, find your passion and fight. Cause we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down.
Before I organized the fridge, I went through and decluttered all of the trash because I was at the end of getting the trash out for trash day, and I wanted to make sure I made that before I started to organize everything.
Until my whole body burns out, I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I never took you for a one-night stand, and I was hoping to see you again, yeah. Maybe be a little more than friends, you and I, yeah. But lately you've been acting like a ghost and never answer when I hit your phone up. If you wanna go, just let me know. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body. Tryna get you out of my head. I wanna take back everything I said, yeah. I wish I never got in your bed that night. And every time somebody comes close, I always seem to lose control. Yeah, I lose control. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body. My body, my body.
I purchased this drink dispenser from Amazon and I was in love with it when it first arrived, but now I'm having second thoughts because of the excess space on the sides. The drinks move around, so I am thinking that I may purchase another one.
close to my body, my body, my body. In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, you seem to have the time. But when it's hard, you just grow colder. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. Been here 1,000 times. Set up a stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over.
Now on to day 2 of this grocery haul and clean with me. I am still focusing on organizing the fridge, but I wanted to shout out a comment that I received in my past video. And if you have not checked that video out, I will link it down below. But it was so funny. She said that seeing how my hair changed from day 1 to day 2. But it was because my mom was visiting, and every time she visits, I get my hair done. My mom was a professional beautician for a very long time. It's hard to find someone that treats my hair and does my hair the way that my mom does my hair.
It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. Keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. We keep on talking and talking, talking and talking. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu.
Sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, cause I don't wanna lose what we had. Cause I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, cause I swear I will. love.
this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would like to welcome you and also introduce myself. My name is Tamarika. I am a graphic designer, military wife, and also a boy mom. And on my channel, you will find tons of grocery hauls and clean with me. But I also upload cleaning motivation and home decor inspiration. I hope you enjoy and you have decided to join my family, but if not, you need to watch more videos. There are a playlist down below for you to check out. But once you have subscribed to my channel, comment below and drop me some black heart emojis so I know that you are new and we can chat more.
Not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah. La 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 la, love you better. La 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 la, love you better, better. La 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 la, love you better, baby. How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me. But now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when I act desperately? You used to be the one getting crazy when I'd be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me. But now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me. But now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. I can't believe you're here. Can't get any words. No.
I know it don't show, but I'm falling.
cigarette smoke, sick from drinking. Baby, don't think I will save you, but I'll tell you the things we can do if you give in. There is nothing to be broken. Hear this moment. Don't let me think back. Give me what I need. Just wanna forget. Don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating out for fun. Caress my bruises. Don't wanna go deep. Do it again and again, babe. No matter if we come clean, tomorrow is soon, we'll be strangers.
If you have made it this far in the video, it lets me know that you are enjoying it. So why not hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, drop me some blue heart emojis down below in the comment section.
Give me what I need. Just wanna forget. Don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating out for fun. Caress my bruises. Don't wanna go deep. Don't let me think back. Give me what I need. Just wanna forget. Don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating out for fun. Caress my bruises. Don't wanna go deep. Do it again and again, babe. No matter if we come clean. Don't let me.
Before I start organizing the pantry, you guys have already seen me organize the refrigerator and I am completely done. I wanted to come and give you guys a mini grocery haul, and it's not a full grocery haul, but this is just like new things that I purchased. If you are new here and you wanted to see like what a regular grocery haul look on my channel, I will have my grocery haul and clean with me playlist listed down below for you guys to check it out. Those are a real big hit on my channel. So yeah, we got Dunkaroos and it is almost summertime for the boys. They are not out of school just yet. They have like maybe a week and a half. They don't get out until June. So these are things that we really don't get during the school year. So for the summer, I let them have like some treats and snacks. So I need to stack the pantry. But anyway, I got the vanilla cookies and rainbow chip frosting Dunkaroos. It's from Sam's Club. The breakfast bars and strawberry and blueberry. Bless me. I got beef tender bites and beef jerky, and well, I got beef jerky and original and teriyaki, and beef tender bites and teriyaki. Nutella. This is one of the boys' favorite. Gushers, something that they haven't had in a very long time. This is for me. Starburst. I got the Cool Ranch in the Smart Food popcorn. This is a limited edition at Sam's Club, and also the Doritos Tangy Pickle and Cool Ranch. These taste good, but they weren't very generous with the seasoning on the Tangy Pickle, but the Cool Ranch is a lot of seasoning. Okay, that is it. Oh, I also got these, the beef steaks. And that is it from Sam's Club. I got trail mix from HEB, the sweet and sassy, and also hit the trail. I'm a big fan of trail mix. gluten-free Oreos for Carter. That is it, I believe. That's like new limited edition, besides all of the other stuff that I get all the time. So let's organize the pantry.
Give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget.
Now it's time to clean and organize the pantry. It wasn't as bad as the fridge because I really deep cleaned the fridge. But for the pantry, I just pretty much had to restock and organize everything. I am sad that I did not get a satisfying aftershot of the pantry, but it is the same system for my family as before. If you are new here and you have not seen that, there is a grocery haul and clean with me playlist down below.
It isn't hard to tell what you were thinking, babe. Your thoughts are only getting louder. While you are up in space, I sit here by myself. Are you gonna spill the truth or waste your life away? Sitting on your fingertips, so I know what you'll say. Baby, don't bother, you know it hurts anyway. Don't bother, as long as you don't say that it's over now, that it's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over, over.
When it comes to organizing the fridge and also the pantry, I follow the same steps every time. I clear everything out, I clean, and I place everything back, but it's a system that works for my family. And what I mean by system, it is a layout of how you place all of your items inside your fridge and also your pantry. Whatever you grab the most needs to be seen and also group your items together. So my dairy is together, my fruits are together, drinks, and so on. Cleaning and organizing is so satisfying to watch, but it's also satisfying when you are doing it. So let me know down below, how often do you clean and organize your fridge and also your pantry?
Now it's over, it can't be over, over. Spill it out, don't you spare any details. Ever you feel about us? Spill it out, don't you spare any details. Oh baby, as long as you don't say that it's over now, that it's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over, over.
The fridge and pantry is all organized and clean. Now it is time to give you guys some cleaning motivation for the kitchen. Another one of my subscribers said that she loves when I upload videos of me cleaning the kitchen. And these are also my favorite videos to upload. Cleaning the kitchen is just so relaxing. I feel like when the kitchen is clean, that is officially when the house is clean.
In the name of love, in the name of love. You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly? No, no, no. Cutting my ties with you that I'm done. But I'm not done. I'm gonna call you up in the name of love. Gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up in the
And that is it, you guys. I hope this grocery haul and Clean With Me gave you tons of organization inspiration and also cleaning motivation to tackle your home. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell so you don't miss any of my latest uploads. And I hope you guys have a great day.